Welcome. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to start 3 profitable shawarma street vending, fruit juice vending, and party tent location businesses in Africa. If you are looking for a profitable food business with high demand and low startup costs, then starting a street shawarma business in Africa might be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we will take you through every step, from equipment to ingredients, preparation, setup, and marketing strategies to maximize profits. Shawarma is a popular street food across Africa, loved for its taste, convenience, and affordability. With the right strategy, you can make over $300 per day in profit. You will need a vertical rotisserie grill. A basic gas-powered shawarma grill costs between $150 to $400. Other equipment: gas cylinder, stainless steel preparation table, cutting knives and tongs, serving wraps and takeaway packaging, cooler for fresh vegetables and meat storage, basic hand washing and sanitation setup, cost breakdown. The total cost for equipment can range between $500 and $1,500, depending on quality. Best locations. Look for high-traffic areas such as bus stops, university areas, marketplaces, business districts, nightlife hubs. Permits and licenses. Check with local authorities for necessary permits. Most cities require a food vendor permit and a hygiene certificate. Mobile versus fixed location. Consider a mobile cart setup if rental costs are too high. 15 mines. Meat options. Chicken, most popular and affordable. Beef or lamb, higher cost but premium taste. Marination process. Use spices like garlic, ginger, paprika, black pepper, and lemon juice. Marinate for at least 12 hours for a rich flavor. Vegetables and extras. Fresh cabbage, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mayonnaise, and spicy sauce. Bread choice. Pita, tortilla wraps, or local flatbread. Cost management. Buying ingredients in bulk reduces expenses. Maintain quality to keep customers returning. Marinate the meat mix spices and let the meat absorb flavors overnight. Set up the shawarma grill. Preheat the machine, stack the meat properly, and ensure even cooking. Grill and slice the meat. Slowly roast the meat, slice thinly for easy wrapping. Prepare the wrap-out bread, add sauces, vegetables, and sliced meat. Final touch and packaging. Wrap tightly and serve with fries or a soft drink as a meal combo. Choosing the right location factors to consider. High foot traffic, near offices, schools, markets. Renting versus owning a food cart or stall. Getting necessary permits and licenses. Essential equipment and machines. Shawarma grilling machine. Gas or electric. Stainless steel work table. Bread warmer. Refrigerator for storing ingredients. Knives, tongs, gloves, and food packaging. Optional, juicer and soft drink chiller for additional sales. Choosing the best ingredients, selecting high-quality chicken, beef, or lamb. Fresh vegetables, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, cabbage. The best type of bread for shawarma. Pita, tortilla, Lebanese bread. Sauces and seasonings that enhance the taste. Marinating and preparing the meat. Step-by-step guide to marinating chicken beef for shawarma. How long to marinate for the best flavor. Secret spice blends for authentic taste. Shawarma cooking techniques. How to properly load the meat on the shawarma grill. The right temperature and cooking time. How to slice the meat for serving. Combining ingredients to make the perfect shawarma wrap. Daily business operations. Managing ingredient stock. Maintaining hygiene and food safety. Efficiently serving customers during peak hours. How to handle orders and payments quickly. Pricing and profitability setting. Competitive but profitable prices. Calculating profit margins per shawarma sold. How to reduce costs without affecting quality. Upselling drinks, fries, and extra toppings. How to scale your business. Expanding to multiple locations. Partnering with food delivery services, adding more menu items like burgers, grilled chicken, franchise opportunities for long-term growth. The second business is the complete process of starting a small fruit juice making business in Africa, covering sourcing fruits, juice processing, packaging, marketing, and business success strategies. How to select the best fruits for juice production based on availability, affordability, and demand. The rising demand for fresh fruit juice due to health-conscious consumers in Africa. High demand in cities, schools, offices, and supermarkets. Business can start small and scale up gradually. Potential 50 to 200% profit margin depending on your juice type and pricing. Fruit selection and sourcing. Business plan and startup costs. Required machines and tools. Focus on fruits that are affordable, available year-round, and highly nutritious. Ideal fruits for juice in Africa: citrus, oranges, lemons, limes, high juice yield, refreshing. Pineapples, sweet tropical flavor. Mangoes, thick and pulpy juice. Watermelon, hydrating and cost-effective. Apples, blends well with other juices. Berries and passion fruit, high in vitamins but expensive. Banana and guava, thick smoothies rather than liquid juice. Where to source fruits at a low-cost buy. Directly from local farmers, fruit markets, or wholesale suppliers. Purchase in bulk during peak seasons to reduce costs. Store excess fruits using refrigeration or convert them into pulp for later use. Why you need a business plan. It helps structure the business and plan for growth. Key components of a fruit juice business plan. Business model: mobile juice cart, retail shop, or wholesale supply. Target market. Who are your main buyers? Schools, offices, supermarkets, etc. Pricing strategy: affordable but profitable pricing. Marketing plan: online and offline promotion. Break-even analysis: when will you start making profits? Estimated startup cost breakdown item. Estimated cost: USD. Fruit purchase: initial stock, $100 to $500. Juice extraction machines, $500 to $2,000. Packaging materials, bottles, sachets, $100 to $300. Storage and refrigeration, $200 to $800. Licenses and permits, $50 to $200. Branding and marketing, $100 minus $500. Total estimated cost, $1,050 minus $4,300. Essential tools and machines for juice production: fruit washing machine, cleans dirt and bacteria. Peeling and cutting tools, knives, peelers, and slicers. Juice extractor or blender, separates juice from pulp. Filtration system, removes unwanted pulp. Pasteurization unit, optional, extends shelf life. Packaging machine, seals bottles or sachets. Refrigeration, preserves freshness. Low-budget alternative, start manually using a hand juicer, blender, and simple strainer. Upgrade to semi-automatic or industrial machines as profits grow. Segment 5. Juice making process. Step by step, 20 minutes. Step 1. Fruit selection and washing. Pick fresh, ripe fruits without bruises. Wash in clean water with food-safe disinfectants. Step 2. Peeling and cutting: peel and remove seeds where necessary. Cut into smaller pieces for easy processing. Step 3. Juice extraction. Use juice extractors for citrus fruits. Use blenders for pulpy fruits, mango, banana. Filter juice to remove extra pulp if necessary. Step 4. Pasteurization, optional. Heat juice to 75 to 85 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes to kill bacteria. Cool juice before packaging. Third business is the party tent rental business. Every weekend there are parties, weddings, birthdays, and corporate events requiring tents. This business has a high demand and low startup cost compared to other ventures. What is a party tent rental business? Why it is profitable in Africa? The importance of tents in weddings, birthday parties, and events. Examples of successful party rental businesses. Identifying your target market. Weddings, corporate events, birthdays, church gatherings, political rallies. Understanding customer needs and expectations. Researching competition in your area. Finding a niche. Luxury tents, budget-friendly options, unique designs. Types of tents: marquee tents, stretch tents, peg and pole tents, pop-up tents. Materials to consider: PVC canvas, aluminum frames. Additional equipment: chairs and tables, lighting and decor, flooring and carpets, air coolers, fans for outdoor events. Sound systems for full package services, where to buy high-quality tents, local versus import options, new versus second-hand tents, cost breakdown for different tent types, how to negotiate for the best price, how much to charge for different tent sizes and styles, factors affecting pricing, location, event type, duration, offering package deals, tent plus chairs plus decor. Deposit. Starting a business in Africa is an exciting and profitable venture if done right. From choosing the best location to making high-quality shawarma and marketing your brand, success is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Also, share your thoughts. Would you start a shawarma business? Let us know. See you in the next video. Keep hustling and make that business dream a reality.